Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TRXC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis last week on Friday, so that's where the green line annotation there is coming from. But after today's price movement, a whole lot of updates need to be done. Very nice way to start off the week. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to use this green line for the near term levels of support. Sure, this level down here still pertains to the chart, but it's no longer relevant. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing too much confusion with clutter all over the place with annotations everywhere. So in the spirit of just trying to keep this as clean as possible from an analysis standpoint, I'm just going to use this line and move it up here to what I would call the ideal level of support. Meaning if you were to say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be right up there at 89 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below it, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But if the price can, continue to maintain above there, and I use the word continue because you can see once already the bears did try to press down through there, but to give credit where credit's due, the bulls did a great job of holding strong. So like I said, if that continues to happen, that would certainly be best case scenario going forward. Next level of support after that, in the event that 89 cents doesn't hold, right down here at 85 cents. So 89, 85 cents, two of the near term levels of support. Taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things, and maybe you're somebody that's just saying, look, Clay, I just care about really the grand scheme of it all, and I just want a way to gauge the health of the overall move. And the easiest way to do that is with that purple line there, which I've talked about in the video from Friday. And in regards to that line, keyword there being moving average. So as time goes by, that purple line is just going to keep on moving itself higher and higher and higher. So simply put, as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves itself upwards, then the trend, the bulls are in full control, full health, however you can best visualize that. As far as levels of resistance, pretty straightforward at this point in time. Several times today, the price tried to get up through 95 cents, but just couldn't quite do it. So as you see up here, like I said, a couple of times earlier on in the day, and then another time during that final 30 minutes. So while I'm not saying it's impossible to break through 95 cents, just saying that as it stands right now, according to the story of the price, there are some sellers sitting up there. So the bulls are going to need to bring their A game in order to fight through that. But all in all, as long as the price keeps on putting in those higher lows like it's been doing, the chart's going to continue to take care of itself. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.